say letters, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say letters, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space?
If all it is to say letters, why is it so hard to say?
Almost every line on our hands aligned. When your hands are mine, it's like I'm whole again. Isn't that a sign? I should speak my mind.
I've said those words before, but it was a lie. You deserve to hear